Hi and welcome to another video from Redline Technologies. I have another Cerberus mouse. So this, as you guys might know, is called the Cerberus mouse. This is the Cerberus Fortus. This video, before we get started, this video is brought to you by Palit graphics cards. Palit is the world's largest and most reliable graphics card manufacturer. Click the link in the description to learn more. Alright, so a little bit of backstory, I guess. Before, somewhere in between that mouse and this mouse, Asus decided that Cerberus is not going to be a model name, it's going to be a brand name. So, like we have the Cerberus mouse, the Cerberus mechanical keyboard, and somewhere there we have the Cerberus Nikon keyboard. So, now we have the Cerberus Plus brand name. So, this is a Cerberus Fortus mouse. It's a little bit more expensive than the old Cerberus mouse, so it's not necessarily like a replacement. It's I'd say an expansion of the lineup. So this is a slightly high-end mouse, selling for 7,500 rupees. Let's open this up. First, let's go to the box actually and see what's on the box. So apparently it has a 2018 design award. So I expect some exceptional design on that. So it says color LEDs. Suspiciously, it avoids saying RGB. Right. So it has colors. So like, all right. So what does it say? Strong magnesium alloy base. So it's made of metal, which is good. Premium Omron switches, which is standard. More Cerberus series peripherals. So Cerberus, it's a very odd selection of parts. So they have a 1070 Ti graphics card, Cerberus V2 headset, make RGB keyboard and mouse pad. Right? So on the back, most of what was there repeated here. So alloy base, on the fly customizable, multicolor LED, no RGB again, it doesn't mention RGB. So let's see how exactly that works. Optimized side grip, special soft braided cable. Alright, so not much on the box. Let's take a close look at this. Alright, so let's see. Pretty straightforward package. With the compartment for a couple of documents. That's a start guide and the VIP member warranty notice. There. Very easy to take out, which is nice. Not like nice cable, the kind that likes to get tied up in itself. You know what I'm talking about. This will get tangled up in itself for no reason. But at least it's braided. First impressions, it has a weird metal plate there. So that's the magnesium alloy thing they were talking about. So that part is metal. Everything else is plastic. It's not false marketing, it has metal in it. It's not made out of metal like you would expect. It's pretty good in terms of plastics. It doesn't feel cheap. I would say this is as good as most of like the premium, say Logitech or Razer mice in terms of build quality, plastic build quality. Pretty good. It even feels quite good. In terms of size, I conveniently have a G402, which is the primary model to this. So in terms of size, it's a slightly shorter. In terms of height, about the same. But in terms of overall shape, if you like something like a G402, slightly narrow, slightly longer mouse, you would like the shape of this. This is interesting. The area around the sensor also acts as a mouse foot. By default, it goes into the color cycling mode. I'm not entirely sure how this works. So when you switch DPI, it switches to a certain color, and then it starts cycling from there. So it's an in-between option, I guess. The color is not so. If you want to play at like say 1000 DPI, you want stuck at like purple color, so that's good. So feels very responsive. Alright, so the small test run of the game. It went quite well actually. So as a mouse, I'm pretty impressed with the actual functionality of it as a mouse, so it's quite comfortable. I personally use a slightly smaller mouse, so I have a Logitech G Pro mouse, so not too hard to get used to something like this. I wouldn't complain regarding the mouse as a mouse. Now my problem comes with the price. Now that costs 7,500 rupees. Regarding the lighting, like we very correctly predicted, it's not RGB lighting. You don't even get a software to control the lighting or the DPI for that matter. So not programmable, nothing is programmable. You get a few, like say you can press that and turn it or something. See, you have a few, like you go to the Asus website, it gives you a few shortcut keys through the mouse. If you press that and the back key, it switches to different color, turns off, things like that, right? So you can cycle through a few different things and set it to whatever color you like, and it does look fairly nice. So I don't think that's too much of an issue, but you won't be able to sync it to any of your other peripherals or even Asus peripherals. Like for example, even from the packaging and everything, it's like it looks like it's a perfect match or something like that, right? Which I feel it is. A very nice matching pair, but you won't be able to sync them together. So it's a bit of a bummer. The reason I wouldn't buy one of this is because first of all, that exists. It's $1,000 cheaper, and it comes with a better sensor. It doesn't have multicolor, so it just has that blue light there. But it's fully customizable. There might be a few other options that might be worth looking, but as a mouse, I wouldn't complain. Only thing is I would like to be a little bit cheaper. So that's essentially our unboxing and brief overview. Not a fully fledged review, we didn't really go into much detail, but brief overview, the way how it feels, and a lot of connection. As always, with a peripheral, with a mouse especially, it's about how you feel, how it feels in your hand. And if you're not into like serious multiplayer online gaming, and you like the way it feels and you like the way it looks, I'd have no hesitation recommending someone to buy one of these. So we have a lot more unboxings, previews like this, or overviews like this, a few reviews also in the works coming up. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, on Instagram. We have a few holiday discounts, promotions coming up. So we'll catch you next time.